Hello everyone, it's Sally here. Welcome to another episode of Tesla Audio Lessons. Today, we will showing you how to use the WPM-500 wireless monitor headphones. The WPM-500 is a pair of wireless neckband headphones that can be worn comfortably and securely around your neck. You can pair multiple WPM-500 headphones together to one receiver for parallel monitoring. It is suitable for monitoring your live stream or recording. Inside the box are a pair of WPM-500 wireless headphones, one WPM-500 transmitter, one USB charging cable, one extension audio cable, one adapter plug, two pairs of silicone eartees, and one user manual. Function descriptions. Now, let's see the functions of the headphones. Transmitter. Power button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on off the transmitter. LED glows blue when the device is power on and off when power off. LED indicator. Turns solid red while charging. Stops glowing red when fully charged. Flashes red and blue in low battery. Flashes blue rapidly while pairing, and resumes solid blue when paired. Wireless headphones. Power button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on off the headphones. LED indicator. Once power on, flashes blue slowly while trying to auto-reconnect. Recently paired transmitter, and turns solid blue when reconnected successfully. Flashes blue rapidly while pairing, and resumes solid blue when paired. Volume control. Press plus to gradually increase headphone volume. Press and hold to increase rapidly. Press minus to gradually decrease headphones volume. Press and hold to decrease rapidly. There are 10 volume levels in total. Pairing transmitter and headphones. The transmitter and the headphones are already paired before shipping out factory and will auto-connect to each other once power on. However, if any one of them is replaced, follow these steps for pairing. First, turn on both the headphones and the transmitter. Then, press and hold the pair keys on both the headphones and the transmitter for 2 seconds until their leads flash rapid blue as they start pairing. Once paired successfully, their leads will receive solid blue. Tips. In case of pairing malfunction, try system reset by pressing and holding both the power button and pairing button while connecting the headphones to a Type-C charging cable. Connecting to an audio interface. If you need to monitor your live stream through the audio interface, here's how. Let's take MX1 Pro audio interface for demo. First, once the transmitter and headphones are paired successfully, insert the supply 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter plug into the headphone output or your audio interface. Then, insert the transmitter into the adapter plug to start monitoring your live stream. Tips. The adapter plug is not necessary if the audio interface has a 3.5mm headphone output. In order to avoid signal interference, when your audio interface is connected to smartphone via Bluetooth, you need to add a 3.5mm extension cable in between the transmitter and the audio interface. Connecting to a speaker. If you need to connect the headphones to a speaker, follow this step. We will take Tesla OPA portable speaker for demonstration. First, once the transmitter and headphones are paired successfully, insert the supply 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter plug into the headphone output or line output of your speaker. Then, insert the transmitter into the adapter plug to start monitoring. That's it for today. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about the new product, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time!